guys, it's 7 Little Burritos and it's Thursday. So today's theme is to film in the most awkward place you can and make animal noises in an English accent. So here I go. As you can tell, I'm in the fridge in my basement. Woohoo! I'm in the fridge. See, there's some soda over there. Alright. Meow. Woof. Woof. Nay, nay, ba. Nay, ba. Meow, meow, woof, woof. Oink, 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 oink. Meow. Woof. Squeak, squeak. Ribbit, ribbit. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Okay, yeah, so I'm in pajama pants. Pretty cool, right? There's some turtles on there, so yeah, I'm gonna get out of this fridge before I die. Just kidding, I'm not gonna die, but thanks for watching 7 Little Burritos. It's Thursday. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next week. Woo!
7 little